Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. Now there's one very important tool that you all need to have, that's tradespeople and home DIYers alike. That's a good electric drill. Okay, it's one of the main requirements of lots and lots of jobs around the home, and obviously if you're out in the field plumbing, heating or DIY or whatever. To that end, I have this here, an Evolution electric cordless drill, 18 volt, and I think sent this to review. Obviously we're going to have a look at it now. I say every home should have one of these. Electric drills are a must for work these days. Even tradespeople rely on super good electric drill, and this is one of them. This is the Evolution R13. Okay, so we'll have a look at it. Some little bits in the back there in that bag. We have obviously our battery in there. Okay, and the main drill here, quite nice looking. Get it out of the bag and show you. As you can see, it feels lovely grip, lovely quality to it. Smashing drill. We'll have a look at that later on a bit closer. And to that end, there's a bit of card, nothing much in there, and the charger. Okay, most important. We can get this out of the box. It's wedged down there. Okay, so a separate box down there for charging the thing up. And as you can see, the battery pretty good. 30 minutes you're charged up, and that's a 2 amp battery, or 4 AH battery is 50 minutes. You can get a 5 AH in 60 minutes and an 8 AH 95 minutes. So you can get various lengths of battery so that your drill will last longer, especially if you're out in the field, you're working on building sites and stuff, and you need that battery and the drill to go all day. Then obviously get the big one. Going to charge her up now. Then we'll see if indeed it does take 30 minutes. This is a 2H battery, AH, so we plumb them in there, and the green lights come on and I can hear it charging. We'll see if it is all done in the 30 minutes, shall we? We'll test. Those of you interested in checking out the machine specifications, there they are. Just still the video if you want to read it all through. Back to the drill itself, and one other handy thing is this little thing here. I wonder what it was. It's a clip that goes in there, and it's got a hole there. You can see it for screw to go in. If you turn it over, you'll find that there's the screw for it to go. So you can have it either side, and that's for a belt hanging clip, obviously, if you need to carry it around and have it handy at all times. This then is Evolution's new range of power tools, and it's got all the usual things on it. Most drills have got these days. We've got full various speed on the actual pull throttle. We've got the usual forward and reverse switch here, for forward and back, and we've also got our normal torque settings here. And obviously it's a twist and lock drill holder, there's no key. So smashing bit of kit that really just needs a good try out now. So that's what I'm going to do next, just give it a few jobs to do and we'll see how we get on with it. As a test, I brought up a couple of materials, bit of wood, bit of metal, drill it here in the kitchen. Don't forget, eye protection guys, ear muffs, a must, okay, when you're using any power tools at all, but definitely electric drill. Okay, we're all set up with a little bit of wood from the garage. The drill, I've got it set to maximum torque, so I'm going to try and undo one of these screws. I know it's in real tight. I've got it on reverse, so we're going to give it a go. I've set the speed to number 2, slow. So let's have a go, see how we get on. Well, that's simple. You can see how long a screw that is. Quite a long one, isn't it? Let's put it back in, turn it around the other way, reverse, put it in. There we go. Beautiful. Let's try screwing raw now. Once again, torque set to maximum, forward speed now, number 2. Let's see if we can get this in without even a pilot hole, shall we? Let's do this nice and slow, we can get a grip, and you can see that's starting to go already. And it's effortlessly going through there. You go right to it, keep the tape right to the end there. Easy peasy, reverse, take it out. There we are, simplicity. That's the screw in. Now I've set the drill to the drilling mode, okay, as indicated on there. That was the screw mode we were on. We're on this one now. Let's see how we get on with a hole through this wood. And it's hard old memeline, so it's tough old sort of stuff really. There we go. And you can see how easy that is, isn't it? Next up then, piece of metal. It's not too thick. I've screwed it on there. I'm going to try it with this big drill bit, see if we can get through it now. I know it's dependent on how sharp this drill bit is, which isn't the sharpest unfortunately, but we'll give it a try. I'm sure this will drill it through because it's such a good drill. We're going to bite on it first. That's pretty good for a blunt drill, isn't it? That's pretty good. There we are. Time then to give the masonry a bit a go. It's just a little one. I've set the drill to hammer up there, okay, and we're going to give it a go in a bit of masonry work outside. Well, this seems a nice place for a hole, so let's have a go and see how we get on, shall we? Drill away. Pretty good, I'm thinking. Pretty good. Let's now try some of this hard block work here. You can see it's pretty tough old stuff this is. So we'll give this a go. And you ready? Not bad. That doesn't look a bad place for a hole, does it? But anywhere here, let's just line it up somewhere. Yeah, that'll do me, I think. Let's try a hole here in this bit of masonry. Ready? As you can see, pretty simple. There we have it then. I really rate it. Great bit of kit. And whether you're a professional, you're in the trade, you're out in the field, it's a good piece of kit. You won't let you down. It's robust, it's made well. And also, if you're just a plain DIYer or you haven't got an electric drill at home, get something good. Get one of these. It's really good. Now, I can offer you something really good on deal wise with this because Evolution have told me that this is their new range of drills, and because they are going to offer a discount code. So they're offering everybody that buys through me using the code R13. Yes, I know, all in capitals though. I will write it in the description, okay, underneath the video. So that's what you've got to write in. R13, and you'll get 10% off. Now this offer only lasts until the 31st of May, but after that, from the 1st of June, it drops to 5%, but it will still be 5% off, okay, the price. So that's not a bad deal. So I think all round, well done Evolution. And I've got a couple more items coming up from them to do, so look out for those. Saw and a jigsaw, and we'll have a look at those as soon as I get round to doing them. That's it though, all my stuff you know where to go. R13. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye.